representation of integers on number line. I think all of you have learnt about number line in the previous classes. In 6th grade and 5th class, etc. you have learnt about number line. What is number line? Number line is a line where we represent all the numbers. In earlier classes, we learnt about representation of whole numbers on the number line. How we represent that number line? Now we draw the number line. This is the line. Now here we locate 0. And to the right of this 0, at unit distance, we keep 1. As the difference between 0 and 1 is 1, at unit distance, we keep 1 here. And at unit distance from 1, we keep 2. Likewise, we keep 3, 4 and so on. This is the representation of whole numbers on number line. Now in yesterday's class, we learned about integers. What are integers? Integers are represented by Z, and these are negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. 0 and positive numbers, all these are represented here. Now we have to represent these negative numbers. What are those negative numbers? Those negative numbers are exactly opposites of these numbers. Means here 1 which is at a unit distance in right hand side direction, whereas -1 which is also at the unit distance in the left hand side direction. Okay. The distance between 0 and this one and this -1 is same. But this is in right hand side and this is on left hand side. This is 1 on the right hand side with 0 on the right hand side of 0, we represent all as positives. And for the left hand side of 0, we represent all of them as negatives. So at unit distance, we keep -1, and at unit distance from -1, we keep -2, and at unit distance from -2, we keep -3. Likewise, we keep all the negative numbers. So -1 is exactly opposite of 1 and which is equidistant. These two are at equidistance from 0. This is the way how we represent integers on the number line. By observing this, what you have observed by looking at this number line? What you have observed? Means the numbers on right hand side of 0 are positive, left hand side of 0 are negative. One more observation is, if we are moving in right direction, in right hand side direction, the value is growing. The value is increasing. So the value on the right hand side is more than the value on the left hand side. Okay. So the value on the right hand side is more than the value on the left hand side. For example, 3 and 4. Take 3 and 4. 4 is on the right hand side, 3 is to the left of 4. So comparing these two, 4 is greater than 3. So the number on the right hand side on the number line is more than the number on the left hand side. Okay, likewise -1 is more than -2. -1 is greater than -2. Why? Because this is on the right hand side. Otherwise, we can say in ordinary terms, in word terms, we can say that -1 means, for example, you have loss of -1 rupee, and here you have loss of -2 rupees. Which is more? Who is the richest person? the person with 1 rupee loss is the richest person. So, -1 is greater than -2. So, what you have observed on this number line? The number which is on the right hand side is more compared to the number on the left hand side. One more thing is, if we do not put any sign here, we have to take it as a positive sign. These are otherwise can be written as +1, +2, +3 and +4. 0 is neither a positive number nor a negative number. Understand? 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number. Okay? All the positive numbers are more than these negative numbers. All the positive numbers are more than any negative number. Any positive number is more than all the negative numbers. The number on the right hand side is more than the number on the left hand side. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative. If we going on in the right hand direction, the value is getting increased. If we are going in the left hand direction, the value is getting decreased. If we want to add something, means if we want to add any number, we have to move in the right direction. Adding, if we are adding, we have to go in right direction, right hand side. If we are deducting, we have to move left hand side. Understand? This is the way how we represent integers on the number line. The properties of integers on number line means which is more, which is less, comparison of integers on the number line.